In this video, we will discuss how to convert Hindi text to English. First, I will copy the Hindi text from a website and paste it into the ChatGPT. Then I will simply type the text in English and it will automatically convert the Hindi text into English. If there are any errors in the Hindi text, such as spelling mistakes or incorrect lines, it will automatically correct them. This tool provides the best solution to such issues. With the help of this tool, you can also examine how professionals write their English articles. It will write the articles in a symmetric and professional way. Click on New Chat. We will be using AI to create a song similar to one by Justin Bieber. This will result in the best possible song. Additionally, you can increase the song's length by typing increase the song length and it will automatically adjust the length of your song.